This Amazon Basics portable space heater 1500 watts provides a safe, stable, quiet heat source that works very well in my drafty, old house. This is a short but heavy heater that has hidden casters on the bottom so it is easy to move where you need it. There are digital controls on the heater itself, but there is a remote included so you don't even need to get out of your seat, or bed, to turn it on and adjust the temperature. Although it has a fan to blow the heated air around, it's so quiet that I had to check to see that it was actually blowing heat. It begins heating immediately, but, as with all space heaters, the size of the room and how cold it is to begin with will determine how quickly it heats the entire room. Also, closing doors and draperies will help the room heat faster and maintain the heat. I have been using a heater that is virtually identical to this at a small beach cottage and another in a small guest house for several years now. Neither house has central heat and both rely on space heaters in the winter. This style heater is by far the best we have used. If it's very cold when we turn it on, say in the 30s, it will take 2-3 hours to bring a 600 square feet space to a comfortable temperature without wearing a jacket, but if you sit near it, you will be warm immediately. It also has a built-in thermostat so it will maintain the temperature you select very nicely. Besides the excellent heating properties, there are other reasons that make this style heater superior. First, it's very stable. It's almost impossible to tip this over without really trying. That's great for households with pets and boisterous kids. Second, the casing doesn't get dangerously hot. It just stays warm. The grill in front of the fan does get hot, but it's a relatively small area. You are unlikely to get burned on this, so it's a nice choice for elderly people as well as kids and dogs. Of course, young children should be constantly supervised anytime a space heater is being used. I also like that there is cord storage on the back of the heater for the seasons when it is not in use. I got both the black and the wood model. The black model is a bit smaller because it does not have the wood exterior. The exterior is painted metal, but again, the casing does not get too hot to touch. The black heater has the digital controls on the top and there is an integrated handle on the top for ease in picking it up. The remotes to both heaters are identical and come with the battery installed. The wood model has the same inner heater as the black model, but it has a wooden outer casing and the digital controls are on the front instead of the top. There is no carry handle on top of the wooden model, either, but it is easy to roll around on the casters. The wood model is just as silent as the black model and heats just as well. It's just a bit larger due to the wood casing. Both came very well packed for shipping and I found no shipping damage on either model. Space heaters are generally used to supplement central heating, but you can definitely use them as the only source of heat. I am using these in a downstairs sunroom that has no other heat source and in the living room as supplemental heat. It allows me to set the thermostat lower for the living room and it allows us to actually use the sunroom in the winter months.